Included with your Monet laser is 1 Monet curing laser unit, 2 rechargeable batteries, 1 operator's manual, 1 laser safety sign, 50 disposable barrier sleeves, 4 apertures, 1 battery charging station, 1 power supply with cord, and 3 laser protective glasses. This is the Monet handheld laser curing light. First we have the Monet. The head rotates to make it easy to use from any angle within the mouth. Then we have the power switch, and above the power switch is the indicator light. When Monet is asleep, there will be no light. Press the switch to wake Monet up and prepare for use. You will see a solid green light when Monet is on standby. When the Monet is ready, the indicator light will flash green and blue, and while emitting, it'll be solid blue. If the indicator is flashing red, this means the battery is low and should be charged immediately upon finishing the current procedure. The magnetized battery detaches so that it can recharge. Next, we have an additional battery so that if anything happens with your first battery, you are still covered. Next, we have the operation manual. Please read this through before operating your Monet. This contains all the important safety information for the Monet. It also contains details on what comes with your Monet packaging and how to use each item properly. And at the very end, we have any troubleshooting information you might need. Next, we have a laser warning sign for your practice. This is required while the laser is in use. We also have a package of 50 barrier sleeves to help protect your Monet while it's in use. This should hopefully be enough to get you started. Next, we have 4 apertures in different sizes to meet all of your practice's needs. Next, we have the power cord and charging station. This charging station will charge 2 batteries at once and will store your Monet while it is not in use. Finally, we have included 3 sets of protective glasses that are designed specifically for Monet's wavelength. You must wear protective glasses while using the Monet to avoid permanent eye damage. These glasses come in 2 sizes. The first size is the Sport, and we also have the Fit Over goggles. That is the Monet handheld laser curing light. We are very excited about this product, and we hope that you are too.